corner. Yeah, this is like a dirt bike with 4 wheels. Oh, sliding sideways. Making runs with the truck.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Cody blew the corner,
Oh, man.
Back on the track. Fuck. And now, that's a track lap. Right here. There's Cody's driving skills. That's it. That's a track lap when you're down at Cody J. Alright.
Fuck, dude.
A minute 52 to do 2 laps. Let's check out the damage we got going on. Check out our Baja racing truck right here. Woo!
That's a workout, dude.
Yeah, it is. Dude, you fucking beast, you. Let's look at our track down here. That's all track right there. Come down the hill, hip around, a couple of S sections, back up around the hill. And here's our finish line. Boom, to this downhill. Holy fuck.
Oh, we do it, dude.
You got anything to say to the camera?
No, it's built for speed, baby.
I love it.